So dear friends, I'll go to the advanced level of discussion. For your sake, we went through the basic class, and we also took up that in the first two classes I spoke about this case studies. Then we started with standard costing. We'll finish that part. We took up basics and we'll finish that part which is useful for understanding big problems. And now you please go through this problem. Comprehensive problems are there. Now we are going to discuss them. All variances are there. Materials, labor, variable, fixed, salary. And thereafter we are going to discuss reconciliation between the budgeted profit and the actual profit. Budgeted profit and the actual profit. So that part of the problems, lot of problems have come, which is there in the syllabus for you. You can check it up. And okay, this institute material is already there with you, and yeah, this is chapter 12. I just want to repeat that before we go advanced. A lot of things are there, friends, and we have to run through these things. I hope you are good till now, and let me go through. I hope you are with the material. All of you are having the material with you, and again I have to. This is the material, and let me read out this problem. Purnika Enterprises manufactures one product, and the entire product is sold as soon as it is. Can I proceed now, friends? Any trouble? First, let me check up. Let me check up the. Any trouble is there? If you give me green signal, can we proceed, friends? No issue. Right. Okay. Any questions? You are ready? Because in the middle I don't want in trouble. I'll do it in a very structured manner. Therefore, once you capture that, you can work out number of problems. Yes, friends, nobody is putting anything. You are ready, Vignesh? Very good. Start. Yeah, first let us read the problem. I am teaching, friends, so I will be very slow. But when you are doing in the exam, you should be able to finish this problem maximum in 10 minutes. Maximum in 10 minutes. So minimum can be anything. How I should do, I will explain. So you, I am concentrating from the examination point of view. When a student gets in, and he gets a problem like this, how he will be able to solve, how he should solve and correctly in the given time. That is the skill I have to impart. The first two classes we have gone very slow. Basics of this exam I have taught. Now that basics itself, how you can use it in a big problem. Yes. So first I will do it very slowly, I will take a lot of time. Purnika Enterprises manufactures one product. The entire product is sold as soon as it is produced. There are no opening or closing stocks. In progress, work in progress is negligible. The company operates a standard costing system, and analysis of variances is made every month. Standard cost card for the product is as follows. Direct material 0.5 kgs, direct material 0.5 kgs, and wages, variable overheads, fixed overheads. You remember, quantity of hours will be same because overheads are recovered per labor hour, per machine hour. Standard profit, selling price. Selling and distribution expenses are not included in the standard cost and are deducted from profit as period cost. Budgeted output for April was 5,500 units. Actual results for April are as under: production and sales, and production of that was sold completely, and material consumed in production amounted to 2,300 kgs at a total cost of 9,800 rupees. Labor hours paid for amounted to 8,500 hours at a cost of 16,800. Actual operating hours amounted to 8,000. Variable overheads amounted to rupees 2,600. Fixed overheads amounted to 42,300. Selling and administration expenses amounted to rupees 18,000. You are required to prepare an operating statement for the month of 30. One question means calculate all variances, prepare an operating statement. So, notes, I want you to, I am doing very detailedly. In examination we need not do, but this is an explanation class. So, first step is you note down. I hope you would have read. Problem is production and sales are equal. Problem is production and sales are equal. Always standard costing presumes production and sales are equal. Right. Now 5,100 units is budgeted to be produced. First point. Please note down. I am explaining the problem. The company wanted to, you can note in short fast. The company wants to produce and sell 5,100 units, thereby earning a profit of 30,600, correct? 5,100 into 6, 30,600, correct? Actual production is and sales, actual production and sales are 4,850 units. So, there is a difference in the production. So, there will be fall in profits. You all know that. Alright. Costs, all that different things are there. We have to increase the production. Compute all the variances. That is the first step. And then operating statement. What is operating statement? Operating statement is profit as per budget and then actual profit. Why? Profit as per budget is so much we expected, but actual profit has come so less or so high. Why? What are the factors that are contributing to the fall or increase in the profit? Tally it with the actual profit statement. That's all. That is called as reconciliation statement. Right. First step. Let us catch this particular point. Right. So, now point number 1, I will repeat that once again because I want you to get into your mind so thoroughly. So, first step is, all of you are with the problem, no? I will give you 3 minutes. Can you tell me what I said? What exactly we are trying to do in this problem? Quickly. What are we trying to do in this problem? Have you understood? I explained you. What did I explain? I want to check up. Once I am sure you are okay, then I will go to the thing. The way of doing I am going to explain. Fast, quick, correct. 2 minutes I am giving. What are you going to do now? Have you understood? So you understood. I presume you understood. I am going further. Right. And first step 1. These are whatever are notes I have given you. It's only just for your understanding. But now how to solve this problem I will explain you. when you see this problem, this is going to be your answer. First page, this will be your answer. Profit as per budgets. Profit as per budget. That is original budget. 5,100 into 6, 30,600. Sales price variance, sales margin, volume variance. This is always the standard format for a reconciliation statement. This name is called operating cost statement or reconciliation statement. Operating cost statement. Operating cost statement means you are tallying the original profit with the actual profit. Then material price variance, material usage variance, labor rate variance, labor idle time variance, labor efficiency variance. Then variable overhead expenditure variance, variable overhead efficiency variance, fixed overhead expenditure variance, fixed overhead capacity variance, then efficiency. Then net figure actual profit. Because there is some administration expenses are there, administration expenses. Actual profit. This is the statement. So page number 1, all of you note down this. Operating cost statement. Profit as per budget, 5,100 into 6, 30,600. Sales price variance, sales margin volume variance. So material price variance, material usage variance, labor rate variance, labor idle time variance, labor efficiency variance. Variable overhead expenditure variance, efficiency variance. Fixed overhead expenditure capacity efficiency. Less administration expenses. First step. So I hope you are all clear. First step 1. You know, in examination, friends, marks will be given first page. For this, they will allocate so many marks. Second, of course, if it is correct, everything is correct. Second is working note 2. Actual profit statement. Actual sales, material cost, labor cost, variable overhead cost, fixed overheads, administration expenses, total cost, then profit, actual profit. So please note this one. Second step. Let me check up, are you all with me? Please note this. Okay, shall I proceed? Fine. Please friends, in a class there may be some weak students will be there. So I would like you to check it. All of you okay? Because I am going to do one or two problems only because so much syllabus I have to cover up. But I want to make you experts in whatever I teach. Sorry, now you are okay. Now we'll proceed. Now it's going to be your job. I will put this, how to deal with this problem. Straight away, this is the first page, then second page, and then now the third page, and working of variance, computation of variances. Computation of variances. And very simple friends, as we have the table, no, that one you take it. All problems on reconciliation, quickly put the table, workings and table, fill up the figures, calculate, bring it here, do it. 5 times you try this problem, you will become expert. So, material variances. We can see in the table 1, actual production and sales are equal, isn't it? So, production is equal to 4850 units. Then actual production, we are interested, SQ, then SH, then AHP minus idle time, AHW, and then budgeted hours. That's all. Thereafter, you immediately start like this, SQ, single raw material only, AQ and AQ. And the last one you type it actual rate, give a lot of space, 1 minus 2, material usage variance, then labor, budgeted hours, actual hours worked, standard hours, actual overheads. So, you please fill up this, all these matters you got to fill up, then I will put the answer, you have to calculate, fix up, then I will do the full problem, so that intricacies I have to explain, how to fill up, how to do it correctly. Everybody knows everything friends, that is very important. Only thing is in the examination they are not knowing, that is the problem. You see, Indians are very great cricketers, but you know yesterday's greatness of our Indians, okay. All of you noted a table given, just look at it, first page, reconciliation statement, and then So I request you to first page, plan it slowly, you take up. First page is operating cost statement or operating income statement and or reconciliation statement, anything you call it. One. Second, actual profit statement. Third one, computation of variances. Computation of variances, you write down everything. And then the table, quickly. Now you read the problem and fix all the figures, and thereafter I will put the answer. 5 minutes I am giving to you. Everybody you try, friends, it's easy. But if somebody does, somebody doesn't do, then I have to do the figures. That is why kindly 5 minutes are before you and you can try that.